Morning everyone, and say hello.
Hello.
Thanks for watching. What we're doing today?
Going to Gloucester Airport.
We're going to Gloucester Airport. What we're doing at Gloucester Airport?
Plane spotting, and we got this radio where you can hear the planes.
Why don't you go and get it? So while he's gone to get his radio, Teddy absolutely loves anything to do with aviation, planes, Airbus, Boeing, airports, whatever. He loves it. Flight radar, everything. He loves it. He thinks we're going to Gloucester Airport, but we're not. We're going to his favourite airport, Birmingham. We're going to Sheldon Country Park. I'm not going to speak too loud because he's just in there. This week we've got Teddy what have we got? You going to tell them what it is?
It's like a radio where you can hear the planes.
So how do we hear the planes?
You put in the frequency number.
Yeah.
Of like
Come
the planes that are flying over, and
here. Yeah, but if we're at the airport, what frequency do we put in? The frequency of the
air traffic control.
Yeah, but where are they?
Gloucester Airport.
In the tower, and then we can hear the pilots talking to air traffic control. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to be leaving in just a few minutes. We've got what have we got? We've got a packed lunch. We've got your chair, we've got my chair.
We got a V-shaped pillow, we've got...
So Teddy's comfortable in the car, he's got his blankie, he's got his pillow, and yeah, we're going to be leaving in a few minutes. What is your favourite airport?
Birmingham Airport.
Birmingham Airport. Because Teddy's always watching Manchester Airport Live,
and
aren't you?
Heathrow.
And Heathrow
And
Airport
Birmingham.
Live. And Birmingham Airport Live.
They all have them since it's very busy.
Yeah, and that's what we do, isn't it? That's our thing, yours and mine. Because I loved planes when I was a little boy, and I wanted to be a pilot when I was older. And Teddy, you love planes, don't you? What's your favourite plane?
Isn't the A380 anymore?
It's not the A380 anymore.
It's like 777.
777, for which airline? I know.
What?
Emirates.
Maybe not.
Has that changed as well?
I'm not going to fly 777.
Oh yeah, you're going to fly Airbus, aren't you?
Yeah. Since I don't like the yokes. I only like the joysticks.
The joystick. The side stick.
Yeah.
Right, so we've got to go. It's nearly 10 o'clock and I want to be at the airport in good time. So we get some good footage. We've got our sun cream, we've got our drinks, we've got our snacks, we've got our umbrellas. Should we get going? Let's go.
See you at the airport.
See if you can start seeing the signs.
Signs of Gloucester?
Yeah, for the Gloucester Airport. Because that means we're close then.
Yeah. The northwest. It had a plane sign there.
Right, I don't know how far away we are because we've not got the sat nav on. So I need your help.
Look at the sign.
Yeah, looking at the signs.
Oh, I see one. Birmingham. We're not going to Birmingham. NEC and...
NEC.
What's that stand for?
National Exhibition Centre, I think.
Oh.
So we're looking for signs for Gloucester.
There's two coming up. Well, there's three. Where's Redditch?
For Birmingham and Redditch, use M42. So the M42 is that one, NEC and the airport. So we're going to follow signs for the plane, okay?
Yeah.
You know what's really confusing me?
What?
that we've not seen a sign for Gloucester Airport, but we've seen signs for Birmingham Airport?
Yeah.
How come we've seen signs for Birmingham Airport then and not Gloucester Airport?
I don't know.
Why do you think we've seen signs for Birmingham Airport? What do you think it means if we've seen signs for Birmingham Airport and not Gloucester Airport?
They're closer to Birmingham. I remember that way is the way to Birmingham. Maybe we're going to Birmingham. What? What?
Where do you think we're going?
Gloucester.
Are we?
Yeah. You said we're going to Gloucester.
I know.
Are we?
Where do you think we're going?
Gloucester. Birmingham?
Yeah.
No, we're not.
Where on this sign coming up does it say Gloucester? And where does it say Birmingham?
It says it in teeny tiny writing at the top.
Yeah, I bet it does. Do you know why I wanted to set off early?
Why?
So this time we actually saw Emirates.
So, is it landing over our heads?
I don't know. I have to have a look on flight radar.
Okay, so we are going to going to Birmingham.
We are going to Birmingham.
Yeah, but why did I say kind of then?
I don't know. Do you believe me now?
Yeah.
So do you believe me now?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah. Best idea ever.
Do you remember where we, when we come to Birmingham, where we park? You're going to tell everybody.
There's this park, and then...
Do you remember what it's called?
No.
Sheldon
Country Park.
Sheldon Country Park.
Once you get there, it is worth it.
You can sit right at the end of the runway, can't you?
Yeah, but there's a gate blocking you from turning into a plane and then taking off.
Yeah, because you can't go on the airfield, can you? Because that's dangerous.
Yeah.
So we sit at the end in a field, and it's part of Sheldon Country Park, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it's right at the end of the runway.
I wish we could just drive to that little hill.
We will share the postcode, won't we, on here, so people in future, when they watch this video, can use the postcode and they can go and park in the car park that we're about to park in, can't they?
Yeah.
So what time is it now? It's 11:30.
Yeah.
The Emirates is due at 12:30.
Oh, so we got an hour.
Yeah.
So it'll take us maybe half an hour to get to there, and then after about half an hour, is it going to take off or land?
Land. It's due out about 2:30, I think.
The wind direction could change.
It could.
Remember last time when it was going to take off over our heads and then it changed?
Yeah.
I was so mad.
Because they were taking off over our heads, weren't they?
And then the wind direction changed, and then I was like, please change back, and then it just took off. Oh, look, it's a plane! It's a plane nose.
Here we are. So it's not really obvious from the road, but you turn in here. It's all signposted once you turn in. Sheldon Country Park. There's also a farm on there, isn't there, Ted?
Oh, look, there's people at the park. They're having lots of fun.
So we come in here. Oh, there's loads of spaces.
I need a wee.
That's okay.
Are you going to come with me?
No. Of course I am.
No.
So we're here, aren't we?
Yeah.
You got your radio, you got your chair. It's worth remembering as well that, what is it, April to the end of October, the car park shuts at a different time. So if you get carried away, just remember, car park's just there. Come through the gate there, and it's about a 15-minute walk through the field, and you end up right at the end of the runway.
Hello. That's cool. That was actually low down as well.
So you come through the gate, walk along the footpath, and then just cut across the field. You'll know you're going the right way in a minute when you see aircraft taking off, and they're right by the tree line just there. So Teddy's just realised they're landing over Sheldon Country Park, and the Emirates A380 is about 40 minutes away. So we are, Teddy, we're going to see the A380 today. Yeah? So what's happening now, Ted? What are they talking about?
They're talking about like.
So he's just told that Ryanair to wait there, isn't he?
Yeah, because another plane's landing.
Yeah. Any minute now. See, we got this on the internet, didn't we, Ted?
Yeah.
This.
I don't know where you got it.
So what we've done is we've tuned the tower frequency at Birmingham, which is 118305, and we can hear the conversations between the aircraft, can't we?
Yeah.
So there's one coming in now that's just been cleared to land.
Is it a jet to your holidays?
Just said line up and wait, so that Ryanair will start moving now. See the A380, Ted?
No, we've never been here before. And look, that's the runway.
Radio 118305, check 27 Liverpool.
We heard the Emirates yet. Keep the radio with you so you can.
It's the A380 landing.
So every once in a while, this is where we'll come, isn't it? We'll jump in the car in the morning and we just come here for the day, don't we? Let's turn that down a sec. As a kid, growing up, I absolutely loved planes. Absolutely loved aviation and going to the airport with my granddad, with my dad, and just sitting there all day watching planes. Teddy has the aviation bug, just like I did when I was his age. So it's really nice to come and spend the day with my son and my best friend, doing something that we both really enjoy. We go wherever we can, don't we? We go to Birmingham. Where have we been? We've been to Birmingham, Gloucester, Cardiff. We went to Cardiff last year. East Midlands recently, and it's just nice to come and spend the day with Teddy, doing something that we enjoy together. Amazing. We love it, absolutely love it. And then we just sit here all day, and the runway is literally just there. Oh, this is Sheldon Country Park where we are now, and this is just a cycle path that runs across the end of the runway, and it's really nice on days like today. Literally there's not a cloud in the sky. It's just such a nice day. We've got the brolly, we've got the chairs, we've got the radios, we've got the cool box, we've got lots of sun cream, haven't we? We've got lots of fluids.
We got my drink.
Yeah. Why don't you tell everybody what you enjoy?
Going to the airport and to watch planes and to go somewhere.
Yeah.
And spending time with family and daddy.
Me doing this with Teddy, it isn't just something for me to do. It's something that really relaxes me because it takes the pressure off, out of my mind as well, because I absolutely love doing this with him. When we're at home, what do? We sit up in the morning and what do? We turn the telly on, put YouTube on. We watch Airport Live all the time. Birmingham Airport Live, Manchester Airport Live, Heathrow Airport Live, London Luton, they've just started one. We watch it all the time, don't we? And even when we're just walking down the street, I don't know, taking the dog for a walk, I don't know. If there's a plane flying over, what do?
I say plane.
You point to the sky and you're like, oh, plane! And we get flight radar out and we find out where it's going, don't we? Without knowing it, Teddy, having the obsession that he does more for me than he'll ever realise. Because this is something that I've always felt like I've been on my own in enjoying. And then as soon as Teddy has been old enough, he's shown so much of an interest in it. And he's absolutely obsessed. Just like I was when I was his age. And it's really nice. And you know what? They really have no idea, do they? Just how much we love them. And yeah, it's really nice that we can do this together and not feel forced. My daughter isn't interested in planes at all. She's just absolutely obsessed. What's he doing? I think he's checking the gate, isn't he?
Yeah.
What do you think of today then?
Very good.
Yeah.
This is the outro.
Yeah?
Thank you for watching. Make sure you watch again next time. We're going to a different cool airport next time. Bye.